Welcome to the driver's seat. We're here getting a first-hand look of the all-new 2020 Audi Q3. It's in its second generation. The Q3 has grown up nicely, but can it meet your needs as a daily premium crossover? Let's start with the Q3's exterior styling. Design and styling is a matter of personal preference, but Audi has mastered the art of finding a perfect balance between being polarizing, like the Lexus UX spindle grille, and serving up vanilla ice cream. The styling has universal appeal and carries the design language of the Audi brand that communicates sportiness, technology, and confidence. The Q3 offers an all-new powertrain with standard quattro all-wheel drive. The 2.0-liter turbo engine generates 228 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque, which is an increase of 28 horsepower and 51 pound-feet of torque over the outgoing model. A delightful 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission propels the Q3 to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles an hour in a quick 7 seconds. Safety is important, but today's driver is looking for features to help with everyday driving. Here are some examples. If an accident is about to happen, Audi's standard Presense Basic can intervene to help prepare the vehicle for impact by closing the side windows and panoramic sunroof while pretensioning the front seatbelts. Side Assist with lane departure warning provides blind spot monitoring via LED indicators on the exterior mirror housings at speeds above 9 miles an hour. Distracted drivers will appreciate the optional lane departure warning that engages at speeds above 37 miles an hour, keeping drivers in their lane using corrective steering intervention and adjustable wheel vibration. Other features available to Q3 drivers include rear cross traffic assist, adaptive cruise, Parking System Plus, and a top view camera system using 4 wide-angle 360-degree cameras. Park Steering Assist guides the Q3 in parallel and perpendicular parking by taking control of the steering while the driver accelerates, shifts gears, and brakes. The Q3 product mix consists of 5 options. The Q3 Quattro is offered in Premium or Premium Plus, starting at $34,700 and $37,800 respectively. The Q3 S-Line Quattro is available in Premium, Premium Plus, and Prestige. The S-Line adds $1,300 to the Premium and Premium Plus, and also offers the top-of-the-line Prestige model, which lists at $42,900. Sure, it's nice to walk up to a beautiful car, but it's the interior that really matters, and Audi has nailed it. Entry level doesn't mean compromise. Easily the best interior in the segment. The Q3 puts the BMW X1, Mercedes GLA, and Lexus NX to shame with their superior materials, controls, and technology real estate. Bottom line, this is a pleasant place to be and the perfect balance between luxury and sportiness. Audi's virtual cockpit is available in this entry-level crossover, and it is easily one of our favorite systems. Lower trims receive a standard 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster, while upper trims receive a larger 12.3-inch display. The infotainment is a watered-down version of the system we find in the A6 and other Audi models. The upper screen, known as the MMI Touch Response, is familiar and intuitive with customizable buttons. An 8.8-inch screen is standard, and top trims receive a 10.1-inch display. Audi chose traditional switches for the HVAC system, and we actually prefer it in an entry-level vehicle like the Q3. The quality of the buttons and switches is premium and easy to master. It goes without saying that German automakers put a great deal of thought into their seats because their European customers like to drive. The Q3 is no exception with outstanding seating, especially in the upper trim levels, which add more adjustment options and premium leather. Where you begin to notice the difference between the Q5 and the Q3 is in the rear seating and cargo area. For taller passengers, the rear seat is challenging with limited head and leg room, especially if the front occupants maximize their seat travel. However, this is a characteristic you will find in every vehicle in this segment, so it's hard to fault Audi for making the Q3 smaller, and this is why they offer a Q5, which adds $8,000 to the starting price. The rear cargo area is larger than the outgoing model and now adds the flexibility of an adjustable load floor. Because of its compact size, the Q3 offers easy entry and exit for drivers. The proximity of the infotainment screen is ideal, user-friendly, and clear as day. Accessing the cargo area is simple and convenient. At 4 years, 50,000 miles, Audi's warranty is on par with other luxury brands. Over the past decade, the brand has surged to the top of the food chain thanks to inspired new product and a complete overhaul of their dealer network and facilities. Add Quattro all-wheel drive to the mix, and the Audi brand is as strong as any top-tier luxury automaker. My dream car is the more expensive second cousin of the Q3, the Porsche Macan. Until that time when I can afford one, this Q3 will be dubbed the Baby Mac because it feels like it's 80% of the Macan but costs 40% less. However, the Macan is not its competitor. The X1, X2, NX, and QX30 are, and this Audi is the clear-cut winner. If the styling and technology doesn't grab you, then get behind the wheel for a proper test drive. Yes, I can see making the Q3 my daily driver. It's that good. As someone who aspires to owning a Porsche Macan, the Q3 seems to check a lot of the same boxes for a lot less money. I really like the new styling, especially the technology that's trickled down from the higher cost models. I'm Jackie, and thanks for watching.